Can I track my Canada visa application status after completing biometrics?
Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to delve into a frequently asked question. Can I track my Canada visa application status after completing biometrics? Understanding the visa process and where you stand can bring peace of mind, so let's dive right in.
What happens after completing biometrics?
After you've completed the biometrics, your data is sent to Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, for processing. This step ensures the security and authenticity of your visa application. Once your biometrics have been reviewed, your visa application will proceed to the next stages of the approval process.
Can I track my visa application?
Yes, you certainly can. IRCC offers an online service where you can check the status of your visa application. This is known as the Online Application Status, eCAS. By logging into the eCAS portal, you can see updates regarding your application, including any further documentation required or decisions made.
What details do I need to track my application?
To check your application status on eCAS, you'll need 1. Your application number. This unique number was provided to you at the time of your application submission. 2. Personal details. Usually, your date of birth and full name. Make sure to enter the details accurately to avoid any errors or difficulties accessing your information. In conclusion, after completing your biometrics for your Canada visa application, you can indeed track your application status online through the eCAS portal. We hope this information provides clarity and reduces any anxieties about the visa application process. Wishing you all the best with your journey to Canada.